Selecting the right material for bath towels is crucial for ensuring comfort, durability, and functionality. In this guide, we will explore the features and benefits of various materials commonly used for bath towels to help you make an informed decision. Which material is the best for bath towels? Have you ever found yourself wondering why some towels are more absorbent than others? When it comes to bath towels, the material they are made of plays a significant role in determining their quality and performance. With a plethora of options available in the market, choosing the best material for your bath towels can be a daunting task. In this video, we will explore the different types of materials used in making bath towels and determine which one is best for your needs. Cotton towels. Cotton towels are a popular choice due to their softness, absorbency, and durability. They are gentle on the skin, making them ideal for everyday use. Cotton towels come in various types, including Egyptian cotton, Turkish cotton, and organic cotton. Egyptian cotton towels are known for their luxurious feel and superior absorbency, while Turkish cotton towels are prized for their quick drying properties. Organic cotton towels are a sustainable option, free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. Microfiber towels. Microfiber towels are lightweight, ultra-absorbent, and quick-drying. They are perfect for travel or sports activities due to their compact size and efficient moisture-wicking capabilities. Microfiber towels are also known for their durability and resistance to wrinkles and fading. However, some users may find them less soft compared to cotton towels. Bamboo towels. Bamboo towels are eco-friendly, hypoallergenic, and antimicrobial. They have natural odor-resistant properties and are incredibly soft to the touch. Bamboo towels are highly absorbent and breathable, making them a great choice for those with sensitive skin or allergies. Additionally, bamboo is a sustainable material, making these towels an environmentally conscious option. In conclusion, the best material for bath towels ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you prioritize softness and absorbency, cotton towels, especially Egyptian or Turkish cotton, may be the ideal choice for you. For those looking for a lightweight and quick-drying option, microfiber towels could be the perfect fit. If sustainability and hypoallergenic properties are important to you, bamboo towels may be the way to go. Consider the features and benefits of each material carefully before making your decision to ensure that you select the best bath towels for your lifestyle. Now that you know the different materials used in making bath towels, which one do you think is the best for you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more informative content on our channel.